Hello guys, welcome to Servlet tutorial. Now we shall see one important interview question, that is, can we write or use out.println statements in init or init and or destroy methods of Servlet? Is it possible to write or use out.println statements in init method or destroy methods of a Servlet? So the answer is absolutely no. The answer is no, because Servlet container creates request response object for the request that comes to HTML or JSP files, or you can call HTML to JSP files, or you can call Servlet or servlets. So we cannot place out.println statements. We cannot place out.println statements in init and destroy methods, because to get the PrintWriter object we need response object, and that response object is not visible in init and destroy methods. So because of that reason we cannot use, or we cannot place, or we cannot keep out.println statements in init and destroy methods of a Servlet. But one more note point I would like to add: if you want to place zero parameter constructor explicitly in our Servlet program, it must be taken as a public. It must be taken as a public. So this is a note point, extra point. So the answer for this question is no. Because to work with the PrintWriter, to work with the out object as a part of to work with the out object reference of a PrintWriter, we need a response object. We need to take the help of response object, and that response object maybe belongs to Servlet response or HTTP Servlet response, and that HTTP Servlet response or Servlet response is not available, or is not present, or not accessible, you can call, in a init method or destroy method. So because of that reason we cannot write, or we cannot keep, or place, or use out.println statements in init or destroy methods of a Servlet. So after this we shall see one more question, and we'll create one Java view application. Totally how many ways are there to make our HTML program or HTML page interacting with the Servlet program? So we shall see this question once again. Already I learned about two ways, that is by using form page, that is by using HTML form page, next by using HTML hyperlink, and in this question we shall see by using JavaScript,